Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you about something that I recently tried instead of my typical eyebrow pencil, which can definitely make your eyebrows look boxy and fake, and I'm just not about that. I need something that's a lot more natural looking when I do my eyebrows. So this is Chella, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Chella, Chella, Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So basically what this is it's an eyebrow cream and it has like a little brush in it, so it gives you a more real, natural looking effect for your eyebrows rather than something that's gonna look fake. And you know, like with the pencil, I just feel like it gives you, I don't know how to explain it, but it gives you like this boxy look to your eyebrows and nobody wants that. So a little bit about the product. It has a velvety consistency that effortlessly applies to your eyebrows and it glides on super easily and evenly. After application, it can be blended onto your eyebrows and skin to create a truly natural looking finish, and it's amazing. At Chella, they understand that every woman wants to feel confident, beautiful, and sexy, so they put empowering women through beauty as their inspiration. And then complete your look with Chella's how-to brow in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you could fill using either their Chella eyebrow cream or pencil. I picked the cream. Step 2, you could define using defining eyebrow gel. And step 3, you could highlight using their highlighter pencil. Beauty both inside and out can and will change your life forever. So I just purchased this eyebrow cream and I feel like that was totally fine for me. I keep it in my makeup bag and it's super easy to use. I feel like it could be a little bit tougher than using a pencil if you're not used to it, but I really taught myself how to use it pretty easily and pretty quickly. I would say within like 2 times. The European Designs eyebrow cream has a creamy consistency that glides into place and can be lightly smudged for a truly natural looking finish, which I lightly smudge with a Q-tip instead of my hand to create that perfect finish. And it comes with a retractable precision fine tip and brush attachment. The only thing is I kind of wish it came with like a brush cleaner, because I'm going to show you guys. Mine is like, it's like the brush, I just feel like, okay, so I've been using this a while. You guys could see like the brush is kind of like worn and torn a bit. I mean, it still works fine. I guess I'm like a little nervous to try my regular brush cleaner. I don't know. I guess that'll work, or maybe some hot soapy water to clean the brush out a little bit, because after, like, I use this every day, so after using it every day, I mean, I would think you really need to clean it out. So this is the cream that it comes with. So it's really easy to use. So you just dip this little brush in here. I do it lightly like this, just so I'm not taking too much out. And then it's very soft. The brush is extremely, extremely soft. And then I just brush it lightly on my skin. So, I mean, I guess I can't show you guys on my eyebrow, but on my skin, I would just go like, on my eyebrow, I start in like the upper corner, and then I kind of just go like this in like an outward motion until it's like filled in my eyebrows. So I know every woman's eyebrows are different. Like for me, I just want to fill in kind of like the outer corners that are closest to the inside of my eye, or to the inside of my eye, because that's where I'm like missing some hairs. I know women that are probably missing more hair than me, and they have to like really, or they have light, like one of my girlfriends has like really blonde eyebrows and you can barely see them unless she fills them in. So she uses this and she just uses it to go over, like she has all the hair there, she's just going over it to add the color. So you could do that too if you wanted to, but she's like, she loves it so much more than the pencil because it's so much more natural looking. Like sometimes with the pencil, like you ever see somebody that has penciled in eyebrows and you could tell they're penciled in and they just like look stupid and they don't even realize it. Yeah, this won't happen with that won't happen with this product. So ingredients, I'm just gonna name a few for you guys here because they look really tough to pronounce. We have microcrystalline wax, mica, baron nitride, glycochloride, titanium dioxide, monotate, glycol, paraffin, just to name a few. And then this product is made in China and distributed by Mosaic Distributors LLC, California 93012/USA. And their website is chella.com. Copyright 2017, and this product is net weight 1.8 grams or 0.06 ounces. So this is something that I use not once in a while. Like I use this every single day. And then afterwards I don't use like an eyebrow gel, but you could if you wanted to lock the hairs in place. I kind of just use like an eyebrow comb instead of an eyebrow like gel. So the comb works fine after. You don't have to. I mean, I've used it just a cream without the brush, and that was totally fine too, but I just feel like it kind of like brushes the hairs out, gives it a little bit more definition and a little bit more natural looking. So, and it never smudges either, by the way. Dries quickly, goes on like a cream. And then the brush, I don't know. I guess, like I said, I haven't tried it because I'm scared, but you could probably just use water and dry it off with a washcloth or towel. I do wish that they had come with like a little eyebrow cleaner, or maybe just like some directions on the box on how to clean the brush, because I think that's a very common thing that it's going to get dirty, and then after a while you're going to have to clean it. So that's my only, not even complaint, that's the only thing I would change about the product, like just have it come with that, or a little bit of directions on how to clean it, because you don't realize, like I'm using it every day, you don't realize how dirty it's going to get. So this was the Chella, and it was in the Taupe. So as you guys could see before, it was like a nice little light brown color, which it's actually a lot lighter than my eyebrows naturally, or my eyebrows are actually black, but when I use black eyeliner or black cream, I feel like it looks fake. So this color for me, like I said, I have very dark eyebrows, just blends in really nicely, and it works out to be well. So I think and my friend, like I said, with the blonde, she has like platinum blonde hair and blonde eyebrows. She's naturally blonde. She just puts this cream over it just so that the eyebrows stand out more and have some color. So guys, this was Chella Eyebrow Cream in Tantalizing Taupe. I hope you guys try it out. I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.